Imagine a world filled with peace, free of suffering, an abundance of food for all, and life in perfect health. But how can this beautiful future be possible? Because of what Jesus did for us. He came to earth for a purpose. He gave his life for those he loved. The night before he died, Jesus asked that we commemorate his sacrifice. He said, "Keep doing this in remembrance of me." On the anniversary of his death, people around the world will gather to remember him. Jehovah's Witnesses invite you and your family to attend the memorial of Jesus' death. At that meeting, you will find out why his sacrifice was so important and how his promises affect you. To find a location near you, please accept an invitation from one of Jehovah's Witnesses, or fill in the congregation meeting search form on jw.org.